Imagine packing up your entire family, everything that you own in the back of a U-Haul, making the exciting journey to take a new position and relocate your family into their new home, only to be called at the last moment by your loan officer to let you know that they're really sorry, that there was something in your loan file that the underwriter could not approve, only to decline your application at the 11th hour. Well, that's exactly what happened to a young physician that we were serving as he relocated his family to Utah. Just hours before the closing, he was notified that his loan application had been declined by the underwriter. And that's why we created the Neo Home Loans Physician Program. We created this program to overcome the four most common obstacles that physicians face very commonly as they buy their new homes. Number one, if you've been self-employed or are newly 1099 and you don't have a 2-year history, our Physician Home Loan Program has a solution for you. If you're looking to do 100% financing, no money down, even up to jumbo loan amounts, the Physician Home Loan Program can help. If you're putting less than 20% down and you want to avoid mortgage insurance, the Physician Home Loan Program can potentially save you tens of thousands of dollars over the lifetime of your loan. And last but certainly not least, our Physician Home Loan Programs are fully pre-underwritten by an underwriter before you go out to make an offer, enabling you to close in many instances as fast as cash in as little as 14 days. Our Physician Home Loan Program was designed to help you escape the landmines and create a flawless home purchase experience for you and your family.